Today I'll walk you through exactly how to use direct data mapping in Make, the standard method for passing information from one module to another inside your automation scenarios. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Direct data mapping is the backbone of almost every scenario you'll build in Make. When you run an automation, each module produces output, names, emails, IDs, timestamps, and mapping is how you route that output into the next step. Get comfortable with this and the rest of Make starts to click. The first thing to do is connect your modules. Before any mapping can happen, Make needs a clear sequential path between the module producing the data and the module receiving it. Hover over the right edge of a source module until the connector arrow appears, then drag it to the next one. The order matters. Make can only surface data from modules that sit earlier in the sequence, so if a module comes after the destination, its data simply won't appear in the mapping panel. Once the modules are connected, click the destination module to open its configuration panel. You'll see all the fields it can accept. Think of each field as a slot waiting to be filled, either with a fixed value you type in manually or with a dynamic value pulled live from an earlier step. Now comes the actual mapping. Click inside any field you want to populate, and a mapping panel slides out from the side. It lists every module that ran before the current one. Expand any module to see its individual output variables. Then click the exact item you need, an email address, a record ID, a piece of text. Make drops it straight into the field as a dynamic token, shown as a small colored pill. That token is a live reference. Every time the scenario runs, it automatically pulls the real value from that earlier step. One quick tip, hover over any token already sitting in a field and Make will show you exactly where it came from. That's a genuine lifesaver when you're debugging a scenario that isn't behaving as expected. And that's it, you've just completed direct data mapping in Make. Connect your modules, open the destination settings, click into a field and select the variable. Done. It's the most fundamental skill in all of Make, and once it's second nature, you'll use it in every scenario you build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.